Unity is strength. Once upon a time, there lived an old farmer in a small village. He had 3 sons who always fought with each other. They never agreed on anything and always quarreled over small matters. The old farmer was very worried about their behavior. One day, the farmer fell ill. He called his sons and said, "I have something to show you." He asked them to bring a bundle of sticks tied together with a rope. He gave the bundle to his eldest son and said, "Try to break it." The son tried hard but could not break the bundle. The other 2 sons also tried, but none of them succeeded. Then the farmer untied the bundle and gave 1 stick each to his sons. "Now break it," he said. This time, all of them broke the sticks easily, one by one. The old farmer looked at them and said, "Do you see the difference? When the sticks were together, you could not break them. But when separated, they were weak. This is the power of unity," he continued. "If you 3 stay united like the bundle of sticks, no one can harm you. But if you continue to fight, you will become weak and people will take advantage of you." The sons realized their mistake and promised their father that they would live together in peace and support one another. From that day on, the 3 brothers stopped fighting and worked together on the farm. The family became happy and successful. Moral of the story: unity brings strength, success, and peace.